Hello student, in this class we learned spline modifier and tools. So first modifier is trim and extend. Trim and extend modifier used to merge shapes and create a complex shape. So first I create a shape. I choose circle tool and create a circle. Now I choose scale tool and scale in the X direction and then move to center in the X axis. So I click on the up and down arrow in the X axis. Okay. Now I need to change the pivot position. So I go to hierarchy, affect pivot only, and change the pivot position a little bit outside from the oval shape. I create a flower shape by using this oval. Turn on the angle snap button and then right click and fill the angle value around 60 and choose rotation tool. By pressing shift key, we create a duplicate copy at the 60-degree angle like this. We need 6 copies of this oval and 1 copy is already created. So I fill 5 in the number of copy section and then hit OK. So 5 copy is created. Now select all the shapes and right click, convert to editable spline and then select one object, right click, attach and attach all these shapes. Okay. Right click to exit the attach tool. Now we apply trim and extend modifier. Go to modify list and search trim and extend. Trim and extend has 3 operations. First is auto and second and third is trim and extend. But I use auto operation and click on the pick location. And one by one I click on these lines for trim like this. Okay, all lines are trimmed. In case this line is appear, so click again. So right click to exit this tool. By clicking on this I button, you can on or off this modifier. If you want to apply some more tools on this shape, so first collapse this modifier with the spline. So right click on this modifier and choose collapse tool and click on the yes button. Now I choose vertex subdivision and check the vertices. They are just fuse. First we create a duplicate copy and then weld these vertices. Press shift key and copy in the X direction. Make sure the copy radio button is on. OK. Select the left side shape. Select all the vertices and then find weld tool. Okay. Exit from the editing mode. Now we apply another modifier, extrude. Find extrude by type. Extrude to convert this shape into a solid object like this. Press F4 for on off these edges. If I apply extrude on this shape, it's look like this. It's look like a paper extrusion because the vertices is not weld. If the vertices of this shape also break like this, select only one vertex and click on the break button. Then click on the extrude modifier. So it's also a hollow shape like this shape. So select this shape and find weld tool. Okay, so vertex is weld. Click on the extrude. Now it's a solid shape. If you want to provide some thickness on this shape, you can apply another modifier. Modifier name is shell. Shell modifier provides the thickness inside or outside the surface. Inside amount and outside amount is provided here. You can increase the value like this. Cell modifier provide inside or outside thickness by using these inside or outside amount. In this class we learned three modifier. First is trim and extend, second is extrude, and third is cell modifier. In the next class we learn some more modifier.